A tickle in your throat becomes a constant rhythmic spasm. You can't finish a single sentence without gasping for air. Your chest muscles begin to ache from the repetitive strain. Tiny blood vessels in your eyes start to pop from the internal pressure. 1 hour, your throat is raw and bleeding. Every breath triggers 3 more coughs, leaving you in a state of permanent oxygen deprivation. 6 hours, you fracture a rib from the sheer force of the convulsions. Dizziness sets in as your brain enters a fog of carbon dioxide. 12 hours, the involuntary spasms prevent you from swallowing water or sleeping. Your heart rate skyrockets as it struggles to pump blood through a collapsing chest. 24 hours, your lungs lose the ability to expand against the constant violent contractions. You lose consciousness, coughing even as your nervous system shuts down for the last time.